everyone, it's Martha here with you. I have a cute little album share with you today, and I used the Splendour collection from My Mind's Eye. Super cute. It has 6 double-sided papers, was more than enough for this album. I actually have lots of scraps left over, so it's really fantastic. Really nice, thick quality paper with like a bit of a texture to it. Really, really nice. It only comes with the 6 papers and the 1 sticker sheet, and so this is the sticker sheet. So I used a few of them, but I didn't use all of them. I could certainly get another little project out of what I have left. So here is the front of the album. The only thing that I didn't use from the collection was this Live Life in Full Bloom. That is a ephemera piece from the Cartabella Spring Market collection, and then this little like resin frame here is from Pink Paisley, and I have no idea if they still make them or anything like that. So these stickers here are from the collection, and I just backed them behind there, and then I just roughed up my papers a little bit that I put on the cover there. And then the spines have the papers on them as well. So then the whole thing flips over like this, and this is the back of it, but this is how it actually opens. So it does have a twine closure, and then it pulls open like this, and then like that, and like that. So I have a big belly band inside of here that kind of holds everything into place. And the belly band is actually also a belly band on its own. It's a pocket kind of thing. So this hello is actually also from the Cartabella Spring Market collection. I forgot about that piece. So then it opens up like this, and it is magnetically closed there. It opens like this, and it flips to the side, and then this is the other side of the belly band, which is also a pocket. So that opens up like that, and then on the first section here we have a waterfall that goes up and down. So it opens like this, and I just left these plain so that I could add my photos, because the whole spine of this book is actually only 1 1/4 inches, so you definitely need room. I didn't want to add anything extra. So over here, when you go to the back of this top flap, there is a pocket here. I haven't put anything in it yet because I don't know if I just want to add photos in there or tags, or I'm not really sure yet. And then the inside of this, I just matted with white cardstock because I just want to be able to just add my photos right on there. And these sections here are going to fit a 5x5 photo really nicely. And so then we have another waterfall right here, and this one goes side to side, and same thing, I just put little strips of paper just so I can get my pictures on there, and that also closes with a magnet. And then it flips open like this, and then over here we have another pocket. Again, I just left it empty because I don't know what I want to put in there, and it flips open again just for some more photo space there. And then this is just another space for a photo. It's a flap, so it flips up, and then there's more photo space inside here. So then these sections close up, and then this whole thing flips back on itself. And up here I have a flap that opens like this, and then there is also a pocket right here. Again, I just left it empty for now. And then down here we have another waterfall going side to side, and then it opens to the bottom, and there's another flap that opens up down here. So it's like this, and then it opens up, and there's just more photo space. And then the top of the flap does have another pocket right here, and then all the way at the back of the book there's another pocket there. And again, I just left it empty just because I'm not really sure yet what I want to put in this book. It's small but mighty. It fits I think I counted like 40 or 50 pictures throughout it, so it's definitely a good sized book for photos, and you can fit 5x5 photos, 4x6 if you just crop them down a little bit, and then of course anything smaller than that as well. And then it just all closes up like this, and then this side comes in and this side comes in as well, and then these come up, and then you just close it right back up. So I will have the tutorial for this book linked below the video, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making it. It's a super fun little book, comes together in a day, really unique and cute, and my idea for it was like a photo shoot book. If you go do a family photo shoot or something like that, I think it would be a great size for that. And it's small enough so that it doesn't take up a lot of room on the shelf, but it still has a ton of room for photos in it. So I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and share, and have a wonderful day. And like I said, the tutorial will be linked below this video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.